In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know exactly where the alignment controls live, how to apply them to your text, and when to use options like aligning toward or away from the spine. First, open Affinity Designer on your computer and make sure your document is ready. If you already have text on the canvas, great. If not, add a text object using either the Artistic Text tool for headlines and short labels, or the Frame Text tool for paragraphs. That way, the alignment controls will be available and you can see changes as you make them. Next, click on your text to select it. If you just want to affect the whole text object at once, select the text layer with the Move tool. If you want to adjust specific paragraphs or lines, switch to a text tool and click inside the text to place a cursor. Now highlight the text you want to align. You can drag to select a portion, or use a shortcut like Command or Control+A to select all text within the frame. This step matters because alignment can be applied to the current paragraph, the selection, or the entire text object, depending on what's highlighted and which tool you're using. Look to the top of the interface for the alignment controls on the context toolbar. You'll see familiar icons for left, center, and right alignment. You may also find these in the paragraph panel if you prefer working with panels. If you don't see them right away, make sure you're actively editing text. Affinity Designer shows relevant options when text is selected. Choose the alignment that fits your design. Left align is a solid default for most body copy because it's easy to read and creates a clean rag on the right edge. Center alignment works well for titles, captions, or elements that need a balanced, symmetrical feel. Right alignment is useful when you want text to line up with elements on the right side of your layout, like edge-aligned labels or timestamps. You'll also notice options to align towards the spine or away from the spine. The spine refers to the inside edge of a spread in documents with facing pages. Aligning toward the spine means the text will automatically align to the inner edge on both left and right pages. Aligning away from the spine does the opposite, pushing the text to the outer edges. This is especially helpful for magazines, books, or any project where you want alignment to flip correctly across spreads. If your document doesn't use facing pages, these options will behave similarly to standard left and right alignment. That's it. Open your file, select your text, highlight what you need, click the alignment controls at the top, and choose left, center, right, or the spine. Based options to suit your layout.